Well, did you see it? I've got a number 10. A number 10 on my back. What does number 10 mean today, Frank? It means quite simply 10 days to go. Welcome to day 90. Now on day 90, I had all these fantastic ideas how to celebrate 10 days to go. Should I be on a helicopter over an ocean, jump out, and as I land say, welcome to day 90? Or just in reality, me standing under a bridge, hiding from the rain. So look at my back, tells me who I am, and I've got 10 days to go. So I went out this morning, had my yellow jacket on, and absolutely chucked it down. So I literally sprinted about 3k, absolutely soaking wet. So obviously couldn't film anything, and that was okay. But I thought I'll just go back out later on. And it's kind of stopped. So yeah, 90 is just another ordinary day of running every day for 100 days. Not sure if you've seen any of the vlogs that I put up from Gurok or Barhead. I'm not even sure if I'm speaking to myself in the future. Have I actually uploaded them yet? But I really enjoyed the Barhead one, and the Gurok one too was super fun. I'd love to have spent some more time there, but as always, I just run out of time. I think I enjoy it too much, and the time goes by too quickly. Barhead was possibly the one I had to kind of think in my feet a little bit. And let me explain what I mean by that. So I'd driven from Paisley and I'd parked at the park in Barhead. I thought I'll run to the town centre, run by the old swimming pool and just kind of do a loop. Maybe go to the train station, run back. But I've got a little tripod, which sometimes I'll set down and I'll just take some shots of me just running by somewhere. So I got out the car and I realised that one of the tripod legs was on strike. So the tripod was not a tripod, it was now a duet, and it wouldn't stand. So I had to think to myself, as a creative person, I'm not creative, but how do I solve this problem of film? So basically what I did was, I just ran, and every so often I stopped and I talked, and then I kind of ran again. So on the Barhead video, there's no running. It's basically just me, just walking, just talking on day 86 of my running for 100 days. But I kept it my app. I think I ran about 4 kilometres 15. And it was very unusual being in Barrhead because although it's quite a small town, it's got a Glasgow postcode of, I think it's G78, but it feels almost right on the edge. I think after Barrhead and Paisley, you're then moving into further away and a lot more green space. But the town centre felt quite busy. As I wasn't used to that, it felt like a Friday night. So I thought, let's get this run done, Frank, and let's fix those tripod legs. So yeah, on day 90, I thought to myself, I'll dig out my waterproof GoPro, had it ready on the table. I'll run to maybe the River Spey, or maybe go to Loch Morlock, have a beautiful swim, GoPro on the river, and then the river went to the sky and then came down, and then never stopped for a couple of hours. So I lost that window, probably because I swam from the garden. So day 90, just an ordinary, but we're on the final countdown. 10 days to go. I've not had an accident for a while. 10 days to go. We've got 10 days left. Now as the sun begins to set on our 100 days of running adventure, I'm left with feeling joy. Just joy and happiness that together throughout all this, with a lot of fun, a lot of slips, a lot of trips, a lot of falls, but finally it comes down to this: 10 days left. They're just lovely, aren't they? So yes, I suppose that's the answer I've been searching for the last 90 days. It's just joy. probably been just been diarising my can I run for 100 days and just being ordinary. Can I squeeze it in before work? And then like today, waiting for the rain to stop. No helicopter, just an ordinary day of running as fast as I can. There's nothing really at the end of this in terms of am I doing a triathlon or any marathons. Nothing too exciting. Except I'm due to finish 100 days of running next Wednesday. Got 10 days to go. And the day after that, I'll miss not filming that day, running for maybe 101 days. But I'll be quite busy that day. Because me and Mrs. Everyone's got a story to tell. Who could forget my supporting cast? We're going on a 21-day break. We're going to Florida and then we're going to California. But running for 100 days, although the end goal was to go on holiday, what I wanted to do was challenge myself in a very positive, calm and happy way to do something that I could look back on and I can inspire myself to think, well done, Frank. Now what else can you do? So my reward will be to thank everyone that's watching, and my reward will be to spend some wonderful time with Mrs. Everyone's Got a Story to Tell. But my reward will mostly be just feeling joy that I've made it to day 90 and I haven't been chased by cows for a while. So thank you very much for watching. Day 90 had all these intentions of being big and explosive, helicopters, fireworks, but it was just me, just running and hiding from the rain. So thank you, and I'll see you tomorrow.